Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Scenario. Currently, the user interface for a Citrix apps and desktops environment is presented in English. But a planned on-premises expansion in Poland will support 100 new users with a requirement to use all Polish interfaces. Two constraints were identified by a Citrix architect. Network bandwidth is low and unstable. Network latency is higher than 300 milliseconds to the existing site. How should the architect deploy Citrix virtual apps and desktops for these users? Option A. Install a storefront server in Poland. Option B. Implement Citrix Cloud Gateway in Europe. Option C. Add a satellite zone to the existing site. Option D. Create a new site in Poland. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Create a new site in Poland. Question 2. Scenario. A planning document for deploying a new Citrix virtual apps and desktops site specifies that it will be created with one site and different zones in each of 3 regions. The IT team expects that each zone will host 825 concurrent user sessions, with no more than 28 concurrent session launches. What is the minimum acceptable site-to-site bandwidth required between the primary zone and a satellite zone? Option A. 1 kilobit per second. Option B. 200 megabits per second. Option C. 2 megabits per second. Option D. 8 gigabits per second. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. 2 megabits per second. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.